Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Lux on Half the Bucks. This is Tiffany. Happy holidays. This video I know is coming to you a little late. I was hoping to post this a lot sooner than I did, but this is the second part to the calendar building template for my happy planner, and this is December 2022. So the last video you saw me cutting the templates out by PolyPlans on Etsy, and now I'm starting to put everything together. Again, I am going to link her shop below, and she has a lot of different fun templates, very cute. I'm gonna link her shop below, and I'll link the exact listing that I picked. December's almost over, so you may not be interested in that, but I still will link it because you may be thinking about next year. The cool thing about the templates, one of my favorite things, is that these templates aren't dated. They don't have the years on them or anything like that, so you could really just use this over and over again. You could buy it, save it for next year, or if you already gotten your planner for 2023, just print it out and then already shape out what you want for December of 2023. So I find that very convenient with these templates, very fun. But here I am, as you see, just getting things together. Far as I've already taken off the backing of the stickings for the top part of it, and now I'm just figuring out what else I want to put on the side. Eventually you'll see me go between, you see that eventually you'll see that I have this little, you see right now like the red one that I'm pulling out is kind of the border at the bottom. Some people use it. It was too big for me that I didn't want to use it in the middle because I wanted to have different images on there. And then I had the cute little black girl. She kind of looked like a Bratz doll to me. I was going to use that on the side, but the way I like my month to look is like I want to have as much writing space as I can. So that's why I didn't use her on the side. She would have looked really cute, but I just wanted to have as much space as possible on the side, so that way I could write out whatever goals or whatever things I got planned for the month. So it's mostly, when you see me do this, it's going to be like trimming, something a little extra, a little pizzazz to add to make it look nice, because I want to have as much writing space as I possibly can. But you also see I've already put in a couple of things already in there, because I feel like I have to, so that way at least I have it on the calendar, I can write it down, and then when I get stickers I can always cover it and then write over it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys, for dropping by, watching. Please subscribe. I am going to be posting more videos with me constructing my happy planner, these sticker templates, and I'm planning, not gonna lie, I'm still working on trying to get my happy planner for 2023. If you guys have not already bought your planner, I'm battling right now between two places, Michael's and Joann's Fabric, for a happy planner to purchase it online. Michael seems to me to have the better deal, so that's where I'm at right now, because I want to hurry up and get it so that way I can get my template together for January, which I have not found a template that I want to use just yet off of Etsy, because that's more than likely what I'm going to do. I'm going to go on Etsy and get another template. When I do, I will show you my happy planner, whichever one that I do buy, and I will show you the January template that I will use. There's a couple of other things that I will be posting as far as my weekly templates. The weekly templates will be stuff like, what are those? Like the sticker packets that I buy, like, you have the sticker templates that you get from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's Fabric. They are through different companies. The one that I like to use, what do they call it? Those sweet kawaii designs is one of them. And another one I like to use, because I'm stretching to get it, is Shine Sticker Studio. And I know for sure Shine Sticker Studio is on Etsy. They have some really cute stuff in there. But usually I buy those sticker packets that I put for my weekly stuff, and then I will change that between that and Etsy, what do they call it? The Etsy planner stickers. But I will also link again in this video the adhesive paper, 8.5 by 11 adhesive paper that I use to print out my stickers. For the white paper and also for the translucent holographic paper, however they're calling that. But that is all that I have. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any other friends, family, whoever that like to do Happy Planner, share it. If they are looking for new ideas, definitely share the video, and if you have any comments or questions, or even if you have any tips or things that you guys like to do when it comes to your Happy Planner, definitely comment below, because I'm always intrigued to see what other people are doing with their Happy Planners, so definitely let me know. And just enjoy the rest of the video. You will hear from me shortly before the end of the year, because I do have other planners, and I have a planner that I have to, well, this current week that I'm in, I'm still putting up stickers. I do that from time to time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Have a happy holiday, and I will see you guys later. Bye.